Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to organize your Telegram contacts into folders using the web version on your PC. This new update makes managing conversations smoother than ever. So let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a side menu displaying your current chat folders. Now, right-click on the folder where you'd like to add your contacts. A small menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens a settings window where you can customize the folder's contents. Inside the editing menu, locate the Add Chats button and click it. A list of chat categories will appear, including groups, channels, and contacts. Check the box next to Contacts to automatically include all saved contacts in this folder. Need more precision? You can also search for specific names or manually select individual contacts here. Once you've made your choices, click Save at the bottom of the window. Telegram will instantly update the folder, grouping your selected contacts together. This feature is perfect for separating personal chats from work discussions or filtering contacts by priority. No more scrolling through endless lists. Your most important connections are now just one click away. Remember, you can create multiple folders for different purposes. Repeat the process, tweaking inclusions or exclusions to suit your workflow. That's all it takes. With this Telegram web update, managing contacts has never been easier. Try it out and enjoy a clutter-free messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. For more tips on mastering Telegram, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Happy organizing!